Welcome back to Organic Products All, where we explore the wonders of nature for a healthier, happier you. Today, we're delving into the age-old practice of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. But first, let's take a closer look at the star of the show, the humble olive. From grove to oil, it's a journey filled with tradition and health benefits. So, what happens when you drink olive oil on an empty stomach? Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 9 incredible benefits for your body. Benefit number 1. It kickstarts your digestion. A spoonful of olive oil in the morning stimulates the production of digestive juices, aiding in smoother digestion. Benefit number 2. It supports heart health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 3. It aids in weight management. Believe it or not, olive oil can help you shed those extra pounds by promoting a feeling of fullness. It gives you glowing skin. The antioxidants in olive oil work wonders for your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. Benefit number 5. It strengthens your hair. Olive oil can do wonders for your locks, making them stronger and more lustrous. Benefit number 6. It aids in detoxification. Olive oil can help flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Benefit number 7. It's anti-inflammatory. Olive oil's compounds help reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for those with inflammatory conditions. Benefit number 8. It supports brain health. The healthy fats in olive oil are linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Benefit number 9. It boosts your immune system. The antioxidants and vitamins in olive oil give your immune system a much-needed boost. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this into your daily routine. It's simple. Drizzle it on your salads, use it for cooking, or take a spoonful on an empty stomach. To recap, olive oil on an empty stomach can boost digestion, support heart health, aid in weight management, give you glowing skin, strengthen your hair, aid in detoxification, reduce inflammation, support brain health, and boost your immune system. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Nature has once again proven its remarkable ability to nurture and heal. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips from Organic Products All. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of olive oil. Here's to your health and well-being.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button. It really helps us out and lets us know you're enjoying what we're creating. If you think this video could be helpful to someone you know, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. We're also eager to hear your thoughts and ideas, so don't hesitate to comment down below. Tell us what you loved about this video or share any suggestions you may have for future content.